Good morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale's Trading Floor. It's Monday, June 22nd. Starting the day off with some red on the screen. About 60% of that volume for corn is in those spreads, looking at rolling those contracts out to deferred months. Beans down a bit, not really doing too much here on the day. You got to break out and close back below that resistance level. So looks all right. We'd like to see it close above it, but right now we're going to be watching what today's session has in store for it, looking to see if there's any more 8 a.m. sales. You really saw China come through here with a nice stretch of buying that has gone quiet, especially after those rumors last week that still remain unconfirmed about China buying beans as well as ethanol and wheat. So we'll be watching the headlines for all that. Looks like some unwinding of the KC-Chicago spread here today with KC up and Chicago lower. We'll be seeing what the cattle market has in store for us today, if they are going to continue to sell off or if the cattle on feed report was already priced in with everything going on. But it seems like if the ranchers can get a bid on their cattle, they'd rather get them on the hook than get rid of them. So we'll be watching to see what has in store for us this week, what the numbers are going to be telling us. But you have July option expiration on Friday, which definitely should be monitored here for the grains. Could act a little wacky with it being a larger month of interest. So we'll be watching all that, as well as the big report next week showing us what the planted acres are going to be. So a lot of potential news right around the corner, a lot of potential breakout news, so we're not continuing to move sideways. But today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one.
Allendale Market Talk Podcast, a fresh take in the podcast world, giving you insight from a trader's perspective, allowing you to have access from your planter, combine, or anything in between. Subscribe to Allendale Market Talk Podcast today.